Everybody, is the one and only GM, and today I'm gonna try the Logan Paul KSI Blue Raspberry Prime. I always heard about this drink because all the influencers and everybody be talking about this joint, and everybody be talking about this joint. And I'm gonna be real with you. I heard this joint is real bad, like real bad, but it could be good. You can't go wrong with Blue Raspberry. So I'm always been a try it for yourself type of brother. So we got 10 calories, you heard? It got 200 mg caffeine, which is the equivalent of 2 cups of coffee. That's OD. That means I'm gonna be primed up, you heard? All right. 0 sugar, 300 mg electrolytes, and it's vegan, boys. And yeah, we about to, drink some of this Blue Raspberry Prime and see if I can get primed up from drinking this Prime. Might turn to Optimus Prime after drinking this, you heard? All right. Autobots assemble. All right. Let me, yeah. Alright, we're gonna try the Prime Blue Raspberry. The Blue Raspberry one was the last one left on the shelf, so that tells me this might be the best one. They also had an icy one. Might try that in the future. Yeah. Let me try it. Damn, yo. I'm gonna be real with you. It's not bad, but like, you could that joint got too much caffeine on it, yo. Like when you drink it, you feel it like go through your like through your fucking body, like you turn it Super Saiyan or something. It's weird, yo. Yeah, you really feel it. Like it goes down through your like neck and goes like you putting some kind of chemical in you. It's kind of OD. It's not bad, but I think you would have to be kind of a nut to drink this a lot. Like it's one of these things that you probably drink it once for the day and you'll be ready, but it don't taste bad. It don't taste bad at all. Like it's pretty good. It just has a strong, intense joint when you drink it, but I think it's because of all the caffeine in it. So it's not bad. It tastes kind of maybe like a vitamin water or like a Monster type joint. Like, yeah, it tastes like just like a regular energy drink. I've drunk a couple of energy drinks. It's not bad. I would recommend the blue. If you're gonna try Prime, I guess the Blue Raspberry one. I haven't tried any of the other drinks, but this joint would definitely get you wired because I drank it and it feels like I'm like intense now, like ready to get it in. You heard? So yeah, it's not too bad. It's only like $2 or something even. Yeah, that's alright. It's alright, like some little ice cream type joint. But yeah, it ain't too bad. If you want to get primed up, drink some Prime. I am not sponsored by these people, alright? This is my first time drinking this. So I'm not telling you, what I'm telling you because I'm sponsored by them or nothing like that. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's alright. It gets you wired up though. But yeah, maybe I'll try, if y'all like more of these drinks, energy drink videos and stuff, I'll try more flavors. But this is the first time I try Prime and it's not too bad. It's alright. I like Blue Raspberry. Can't go wrong with that, you heard? So yeah, check me out. fightinggm_Tekken. That's the Twitch. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Take care. Laters.